If you experience an installation loop of FIFA 24, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and complete the installation successfully. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for FIFA 24. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Close all applications and restart your computer to clear any temporary glitches that may be affecting the installation process. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Your antivirus or firewall may be blocking the installation. Temporarily disable these security features and try to install FIFA 24 again. Remember to re-enable them once the installation is complete. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the FIFA 24 installation file and select Run as Administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that might be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Clear temporary files. Clear your system's temporary files to free up space and remove any corrupt files that might be interfering with the installation. You can do this by using the disk cleanup tool or manually deleting files in the temp folder. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and successfully install FIFA 24. If issues persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.